Hello and welcome back to ScorpioTech. Today we are going to be taking a look at one of the most essential items for creating your ideal smart home or room. These are the Gosund smart plugs, an affordable and non-intrusive way to give you much more control over your electronic devices. Unlike some of the more expensive competitors, Gosund does not require a hub to work and offers a speedy setup process which we'll see in this video. The plugs can be found on Amazon for £10.99 for a single one and £32.99 for a pack of 4, with packs of 2 and packs of 3 also being available. From my experience so far, I can say that the plugs work excellently with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, but please note that they do have to run on a 2.4 GHz network and not a 5 GHz network. Alternatively to this, you can use the dedicated Gosund app to control the power, timing settings and monitor the electricity consumption, which is a really great little feature to have. With this smart compatibility, it opens up a new world of smart controls. For example, once you have renamed the plug and set everything up, you can say things such as turn on the Christmas lights or even turn on the kettle if you're feeling a little bit lazy. But in my case, I'm going to be setting up one of these with my computer and the other one with my TV so that I can remotely turn them on with my voice, making for quicker and easier control of the devices that I love. But the world is really your oyster with these plugs. It changes the way we use technology completely. The plugs have a max load of 16 amps and a max load power of just over 3500 watts, meaning that you can use these with practically any household electrical items. Not that it matters too much with plugs of course, but these have a really nice sleek and glossy design with a power button on the side of each which is used in the setup process. Talking of which, as I mentioned earlier, the setup process was extremely simple and quick. I started by scanning the QR code to direct me to the App Store page and I downloaded the Gosund app. Once the download has been completed, you quickly have to make an account for the application. This means that you can sign in on multiple devices to take control and monitor your smart plugs. After signing in, you are immediately prompted with the Add a Device screen. After clicking this, you can then manually or automatically scan for products. In this case, I simply selected the smart plug icon and the setup process began. After successfully finding the smart plug by following the handy included instructions, we had immediate access to that device, with the options to rename, power on and off, set a timer, a countdown and check the electricity usage as I mentioned earlier in the video, which is really handy. So you could stop there if you only wish to control your device with your phone, but if you wish to use the voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, then you will need to follow these steps. You want to make sure you initially have the Amazon or Google smart apps installed. In this case I'm using Amazon Alexa, but the steps are very similar for the Google Home app as well. So from the Amazon Alexa app, find your way to the skills menu and search for Gosund, then make sure to hit enable to use. You will then be prompted to sign into the Gosund account you made earlier. Once signed in, simply authorize this process and begin scanning for the product. For the sake of this video, I set one up with my phone charger so you could see the device in action. Alexa, turn on the phone charger. So as you can see, within a couple of seconds my phone had begun to charge, and this can be used with practically any socket-based device in the house, so let your imagination run wild. Gosund were kind enough to send this product out to me for testing, so a big thank you to them for letting me showcase these on my channel. Please find all the links and variations of the product down in the description below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.